Hello everybody, welcome back, and today we've got you another video as usual for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and half swipe on Snapchat. I mean, this trick everybody should know, and because it's really useful. Sometimes we will be getting some unnecessary messages which we want to avoid, but still want to know what it is, right? So for that matter, this half swipe thing works pretty well. So what you can do is, for the matter, let's say this person sent me a snap, right? So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simply go ahead, let's say this is the person, right? Simply gonna press and slightly swipe it to my right side and check the message out. Again, put it back. If I leave it like that, the message is simply gonna open, right? Which we don't want, unfortunately. So we just gonna again press swipe. It has to be kind of quick. Once you do that, again, you're gonna take it to the back and it's normal. If you go ahead and press for a long time and do that, then this settings will appear for that friend of yours. You're gonna press and simply swipe to that person's profile, because if you just do it from over here, like from the corner, it's simply gonna give you this get you back according to your phone setting, or just gonna if you do it from here, it's just simply gonna show you the locations which we don't want. So go to the profile, swipe it, message, take it back. This is a tutorial, guys. This is how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.